Good morning students, welcome back to MS PowerPoint class. Today we are seeing the slide master tab. Okay, in that edit master option, master layout, edit theme, background, page setup, close options are there. The slide master tab is in view tab only. Last class we discussed view tabs, different views, that is normal view, slide sorter view, then notes page view, slideshow view. Okay, we discussed that. Today we are discussing the slide master tab of view tab. Okay, whenever you click on view tab, slide master tab, these options will be displayed on the screen. Slide master tab, okay, slide master is a part of a template that stores information including placements of text and objects on a slide. Text and object placeholder sizes, text styles, backgrounds, color themes, effects and animation, everything is there in slide master tab. When you save one or more slide masters as a single template file, that is extension of PowerPoint file is .pptx. Here template slide is .potx will be there. It creates a template that you can use to create new presentation. Like using slide master tab, you can create a template. Template is nothing but here already defined, predefined presentation. Like every presentation should look like same template that you can create before only. That same template can be applied to all the PowerPoint presentation. Template you can create, in that you can include the placements of text and objects on a slide, text, object placeholder, sizes, text styles, background, color themes, effects and animation, everything you can set in one presentation, and that you can save as a template presentation. That same template presentation can be applied to all the presentation which you are going to create. That is called a slide master here. In this, the different groups are there. Already I told that groups: edit master, master layout, edit theme, background, page setup, close options are there. Just we will see this one. Add a slide master. Okay, for that steps are: click on the view tab in the presentation views group, click slide master. Okay, then master template for the presentation will appear. Okay, that will appear on the screen. On the slide master tab in the edit master group, click insert slide master. You have to click on insert slide master. If you want to remove an unwanted default placeholder, click the border of the placeholder and then press delete. You don't want the placeholder, like which is placeholder will be on slide, that you don't want the placeholder, that time you can select and delete that placeholder. Okay, you can add new placeholder there. Then click a thumbnail slide layout below the slide master that you added. Just you have to click a thumbnail slide layout below the slide master that already you added. On the slide master tab in the master layout group, click the arrow next to insert placeholder. You can insert a new placeholder to your slide master. Click a location for on the slide master and then drag to draw the placeholder. Wherever you want the placeholder, here placeholder is nothing but text, table, picture, image, bullets, numbering, everything is called as a placeholder that you can place on the presentation. Whichever placeholder you want, you can drag and draw there on the slide. Then click the Microsoft Office button, click Save As. Okay, here Save As option for saving the PowerPoint template. Just to save that template, PowerPoint presentation file as a template. Okay, in the Save As, just type the template name and you can save. Here to add placeholder, you have to follow the following steps. Just in the left hand side slides tab, select the first slide which is numbered 1. Okay, in that you have to select the number 1 slide. Then select the text that needs reformatting. If you want to reformat the text, just select the text. Then click on the home tab. Then choose from the menus and buttons in the font and paragraph toolbars to do the format of the text. And after achieving the desired look, whichever, like which kind of text, which font you want, which size font size you want, everything you can set from the home tab. Then click the slide master tab and then the choose master view button. You have to choose master view button. Then the previous view will appear on the screen. That time the previous view will be displayed on the screen. If you have made any changes to the master slide, will automatically apply to every slide. Like it is a master tab, if you changed anything in this master tab, automatically that will be set to all the slides. Okay, you can create like that the master tab there. Then this is tabular format of information what you are getting for a slide master tab. Here edit master, it is one group which is there in slide master tab. In that you are having 5 options: insert slide master, insert layout, delete, rename, preserve. Here insert slide master means just it is used to add a new slide master to the presentation. First you will create one new slide master to presentation. Here you can insert custom layout to the slide master. Whichever options you want, you can set the layout of your own. If you don't want any placeholder, any slide, that time you can delete that. Remove the correct slide from the presentation. You want to rename the custom layout, like you are only creating the layout of your own, so you can give a name for the custom layout there. Then here preserve option is there. It is used to preserve the selected master so that it remains with the presentation even if it is not used. If it is not used, that template also you can save that slide master slide, that presentation as a template. Like whenever you want that same template to be applied to your slides, that time you can use this one. Okay. Then one is second group is master layout. Okay, in a master layout it is used to choose elements to include the slide master. In a master layout you can choose the slide master to insert that. Then insert placeholder. You can insert a new placeholders to your presentation in your presentation slides. Used to insert placeholder in slide layout designated to hold this specific type of content such as picture or table. You can insert in that. Then title checkbox. It is used to show hide the title placeholder. It's used to show the and hide the title placeholder. Footer checkbox. It is also used to show and hide the footer placeholder. If you don't want, you can remove that also, or you can display that footer slide holder here in a master layout group. Next one is edit theme. Already some themes will be set to the slide master. If you want to change, you can change the theme. Theme is also predefined format for the presentation. In a edit theme there are options, themes, colors, font and effect are there. You can change all the things. You can change the design of the slide, you can change the color, you can change the font, you can set the effects of new to your slide master tab. You can edit the whole theme. Okay, that option is there in slide master tab. Then you can set the background. There will be 2 options there, background style and hide background graphics. You can change the background style for your slide master, or you can hide the background graphics. If already background is set, graphics are set, you don't want, you can hide that. It is used to here style you can choose, you can hide the background also. Then one more option is there, that is group page setup. Page setup, it is used to set pages, that is slides, to take a printout. And slide orientation you can set, that is portrait or landscape. In a portrait, height will be more, width will be less. In a landscape, height will be less, width will be more. That you can set through the slide orientation. Okay, these are the different groups are available in a slide master tab. Whichever you want you can choose and you can work on this. Last button is close, it closes the slide master tab. Okay. You can create a predefined slide master template. That same template can be applied to all the presentations. That same format will be applied to all the presentation if you want. Okay, this completes your slide master. Here some important questions from this topic are, for 2 marks they will ask what is slide master, and for 15 marks they may ask explain the steps to insert master slide covering slide master tab. If they ask for 15 marks, you have to write all the options which already I explained, and you have to draw that slide master window. And for 2 marks only they will ask what is slide master. For 2 marks in a 2 sentences you can write this. Okay. Next class we will continue with the one more topic. Okay, you write in your notebook every note. Okay, next class we will continue. Thank you.